Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Tyler dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Tyler dildo from the Real Fantasy collection. Now this size is recommended for beginners and advanced users alike. It has a fairly small diameter which is perfect for beginners. Now as you can see, it features a very realistic design, so it has a textured veiny shaft all the way around and a realistic rounded head just here as well. The material is super soft for a comfortable feel during use, and it also features a firm yet flexible shaft as well. It's suitable to use in compatibility with a strap-on harness and can be used both anally and vaginally. You can use the strong suction cup to place on any flat smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. When using the Tyler, we'd highly recommend to apply water-based lubricant to the dildo and your intimate zones for optimal comfort during use. Always make sure to clean the dildo after every use with a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Tyler dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.